Did you forget how we met and fell in love? How I was sick on our first kiss, and how we lost it in the car, how we discovered falling in love. Did you forget the first time you said it? 6 in the morning up on the phone. You said I loved you, and I felt exactly the way you do. I still do. Do you really want to throw that away? Are you sure? Are you sure? Can you really see this life without me by your side? Are you sure? Is this really what you want in your life? To not be with me? Are you sure? Are you sure? Did you forget how I woke you up every day? How we skipped class to sleep in, and how we made so many mistakes and faced them up together? Do you remember? Do you recall the strength we had in our love? How you stayed in town for me? So many bumps along the way, we got through every